Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the black toolbar issue in Google Chrome. A black or dark toolbar in Google Chrome can appear due to theme settings. Browser updates or system display settings can also cause this issue. Sometimes Chrome's dark mode or incompatible themes can cause the toolbar and tabs to appear black or unreadable. To fix this, start by opening Google Chrome and going to Settings. Navigate to Appearance and then go to Themes. Make sure to change the theme to light, and you can also reset the toolbar to default. Now make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version by going to About Chrome. You can also reset the settings to the factory defaults, as this sometimes helps resolve the issue. You can also clear the browser cache and cookies by going to Privacy and Security. Go to Delete Browsing Data, select Cookies and Cached Image Files, and click Delete Data. Extensions that modify the browser interface can also cause black toolbar issues. Disable interface or theme extensions to test if they are causing the problem. To disable extensions, click on Extensions and choose Remove or toggle them off. We learned why Chrome's toolbar may appear black and how themes, dark mode, and extensions affect its appearance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.